everyone, I am Charulata. This video I am going to explain about principles of training. Principles of training is six types: individuality, specificity, progression, overload, dimensioning, returns, reversibility. Overload description: the exposure of tissue to greater than accustomed to training stage. Concept: challenging current fitness performance level induce compensatory improvements. However, excessive overload and or indicate inadequate rest can result in overtraining, injury, and performance decrements. Example: a joker run faster than a normal plays with hopes of improving endurance. Description: the observation that withdrawal of tissue loading result is loss of beneficial fitness performance adaptation. Concept: the body adapts to cessation of a specific activities and a inadequate training load with atrophy and fitness performance decrements. Example: a bodybuilder laments is loss of muscular gains after taking a 2 week vacation. Description: the gradual and systematic increase in training stress to maintain tissue overload and thus provoke continued training adaptation. Concept: as fitness performance improves with training, training variables, example frequency, intensity, volumes, must be increased to induce further adaptation. Rate of progression is important. Progressing too rapidly can result in injury, while progressing too slowly will delay goal attainment. Example: a weightlifter can comfortably lift a weight that used to be a challenge, so she must now lift heavier weights to continue gaining strength. Specialization description: the modification of training to account for an athletic's unique capacity for and response to training. Concept: a training program should acknowledge differences in an athletic's capacity for adaptation from that of their teammates in order to ensure adherence to training principles for that individual. This capacity is affected by physiologic, example age, current fitness, training history, psychologic, example affect confidence, environmental, example nutrition, lifestyle habits, and genetic factors. Example: the workout program for a freshman quarterback differs necessarily from that of a senior lineman on his football team based on individual differences. Mentioning returns: fitness gains are hard ones into program. Unfit people have greater gains at the start of the program but then have little gain later in the program. Fitness gain diminish once the athletic gets close to their maximal level of fitness. Example: when an athlete first starts a training program as a freshman in college, the athletics vertical jump may jump may improve from 22 inch to 30 inch in the first year. As the athlete continues to train the rough the next 3 years, their vertical jump performance may increase from 30 in 38. Specificity description: the observation that fitness performance improves the training movement patterns and intensities of a specific task and fitness type, strength, power, endurance, or flexibility. Concept: incorporating specific tasks of a sport will induce neuromuscular and metabolic adaptation to improve specific structure, fitness, and exercise economy of the overload muscles. Group training should be directed at improving the fitness performance of a sports decent key components. Example: while power athletics should train power and endurance athletics should train endurance. Example: swimmers should swim. Team sports athletics require training with a combination of these two types of fitness as well as sport specific movement skills.